Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Journey Together with Priya. Today I am going to share my experience of Matheran and Lonavala trip. I hope you guys will like this video, and if you do so, then don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Matheran is a beautiful and well-known hill station near Mumbai and Pune in Raigad districts of Maharashtra state, and it is called the crown of Maharashtra as it is located around the Sahyadri hills. It was our office trip and we were 10 people, so we hired a traveler which has the capacity of 17 people. The road trip from Pune to Matheran starts with Mumbai-Pune highway, that is NH4, which goes up to Chowk village. We stopped at Chowk village as only small cars were allowed to go to Matheran because roads include some steep sections scarcely wide enough for two cars to pass. This small car will cost you 80 rupees per seater for adult and 40 to 50 rupees for children. While going to Matheran, you will see beautiful views as well as greenery of nature. This is one of the most visited places amongst the local and international tourists every year, especially during the winter season. You can indulge in many outdoor activities, right from trekking to boating, etc. Now you can see narrow lanes, and for that reason only small taxis were allowed to go to Matheran.
While going to Matharan, you can also see toy train track, but it was not working at the time when we went there.
You can also enjoy small waterfalls in between the Matheran roads. As it's placed in the Western Ghats and is surrounded by Sahyadri hills at Matheran, you experience the feeling of being in the lap of nature. You can plan 2 days road trip with your family and friends and enjoy fun during weekends or vacation. To make your trip more comfortable and joyful, you can book car rentals. Once you arrived at Matheran, the parking facilities are available at the Sturi Naka. From here, in order to visit the town, you need to walk or ride on horseback or travel by hand-pull rickshaw. Remember that no vehicle are allowed inside the town, so Matheran has to explore by walking or by horses. 3 hours trekking and walking trail that offers a splendid view of farms, streams, railway tracks, etc. along with the stunning landscape is on your agenda. Activities you can enjoy here are horse riding and hand-pull rickshaw riding, which are incidentally the only transport options in Matheran. After finishing your trek, you can enjoy some shopping at Matheran Bazaar, a colorful local hangouts. Be aware of your belongings, what you are having in your hand while roaming in Matheran. These monkeys are highly aggressive in snatching things from your hand. There are few good restaurants in Matheran that serve pure vegetarian Jain Gujarati, as well as Rajasthani food, and authentic local Indian and intercontinental non-vegetarian food. Some of them are Panorama Restaurant, Kokan Katta, Sabir Biryani House, and Ketka Restaurant. Next day, you can visit places like Monkey Point, Panorama Point, Porcupine Point, Alexander Point, King George Point, Lord Point, Malang Point, and Lucia Point. Or you can plan to visit Karnal Bird Sanctuary, Ranikhet, or Raigad Fort. If you are planning to stay Matheran 2 or more days, the ideal places to stay there is Panorama Hotel, Regal Hotel, West End Hotel, and Horseland Hotel. While returning from Mathiran, we captured some of our photos standing in front of I Love Mathiran and also in toy train. Although toy train was not working, but still we are captured some of our photos. While returning from Matheran, some of my colleagues also did horse riding. They asked for 1200 rupees for horse riding, but after bargaining, we paid only 400 rupees. But you can negotiate as much as possible. While coming back from Matheran, we also visited Khandala and Lonavla. These are some of the videos and photos of Khandala and Lonavla.